Hi everyone, roaming not working on your Leica mobile. In this video, we will guide you through quick steps to fix it. Let's dive in. Why Leica mobile roaming not working? Roaming may not automatically connect. Users often need to manually select a network or set the roaming mode in settings. Leica mobile may have poor or no coverage in specific countries. Incorrect access point name setting can prevent data connectivity while roaming. Exceeding roaming data limits without notification can lead to disconnect from services. The balance might be used and top up is required. Fix 1. Incorrect roaming mode. The roaming mode may not be set correctly on your device. For iOS iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, select Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options. Tap on Data Roaming, toggle the switch to turn on data roaming. For Android, open the Settings app, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, select Mobile Network, tap on Roaming, enable the option for data roaming. Fix 2. Restart your device. It may happen that your recharge is not reflected on your mobile. A simple restart or your device might resolve the error. Restart iPhone. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons, then slide to power off after a few seconds. Turn it back on. Restart Android. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart or Power Off after a few seconds. Turn the device back on. Fix 3. Check APN settings. Ensure that your access point name settings are correctly configured for Leica Mobile. APN details for iOS and Android. Name Leica Mobile APN data.leicamobile.com. Username leave blank. Password leave blank. MMS APN data.leicamobile.com. MMSC http leica.mms/mvno.com/mms/webenc. For Android, open settings, then connections or network and internet, then go to mobile networks, then mobile network and internet, access point name, then go to three dot menu in the top right, add mentioned APN details to the respective field. Click on the three dot in the top right corner, then go to save. Ensure that the new access point name is enabled and restart your Android device. For iOS, go to settings, then cellular data network, then go to enable LTE switch. Toggle on enable LTE. Now you can see the APN options under cellular data section. Add the iPhone APN details to the respective fields and leave the remaining as it is, then restart your phone. Fix 4. Manually select network providers. Sometimes issues with network coverage can affect voicemail functionality. Check your signal strength and try switching between automatic and manual network selection in your mobile network settings. Android manual network selection. Go to settings, then connections, then go to mobile networks, then go to network operators. Tap on network operators or a similar option to view available networks. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. iOS manual network selection. Go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, then go to network selections. Turn off automatic to enable manual network selection. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. For iPhone, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, then reset the network settings. For Android, go to settings, then system, then go to reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and then confirm. Fix 6. Check country availability. There may be no available networks in the area you are roaming, or your device may not be compatible with local networks. Go to Leica country check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Make sure the country is listed there. For example, in Asia, Leica mobile service is only available in India and Sri Lanka. Fix 7. Check for balance. You might have used up the balance. To check the balance, dial star 131 hash from your phone for an instant balance update. Call 321 from your Leica mobile phone for automated balance information. Text star 131 hash or 94 hash to receive your balance via SMS. To check your balance with abroad, dial 44740400321. Dial star 137 hash to know details about your bundle, expiry date, and available deals. If necessary, you may need to recharge your balance. Go to Leica Mobile Quick Top Up page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your phone number, select your bundle, and follow screen instructions to top up your balance. Fix 8. Contact support. Your account may have restrictions or issues preventing roaming services. Contact Leica Mobile customer support. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then check for any account related problems. You can contact them by dialing 322. You can also use live chat features as it is available for 24 by 7.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.